Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm heading down south to a small beach town called
Sihanoukville.
It's like a 5-hour bus ride. I got a VIP ticket. I'm not sure if it's going to be anything special. It cost me $15 US, so not too bad. And it's actually my birthday today, so fun fact. Yeah, just picked up some snacks for the road. What I get here, some like pizza bread, chicken bread. Been having these dried beefs and that, like jerky, turkey noodles. Some unique snacks. Oh, and I also found these. They have these in Australia, but I love the white monsters, but this is a purple one, so pick that up. Anyway, it's supposed to be a bit of a shithole.
Sihanoukville.
From there you can catch like a boat ride to some more secluded islands that are a lot more nice. See what we get up to today. So I finally arrived at my accommodation here in Sihanoukville.
Sihanoukville.
6-hour bus drive. Was probably the worst bus drive of my life. It was nice and air conditioned. The traffic, it's just shit. The roads, the scenery wasn't very good. Anyway, arrived at the Independence Hotel. Here's a look. It looks like something from the Hobbiton. So you got all these. What it's called is an eco cabana. It costs about 100 Australian a night. So not the cheapest, but it is a really good place. So there's different sections. I had to catch a little like buggy from like the main lobby area. It took about 5 minutes, so this bit's a bit secluded. But here's a look at the place. There's not much room. It looks like some Hobbiton building. But look at the bed. I think the bed's a bit too big for. Takes up most of the room. And don't have much room for my big ass suitcase. Here's a look. It's a cool setup. Like you can smell the timber. It smells really like natural. Almost smashed the little cabinet there, but here's probably too tall for this shower. The bed probably doesn't need to be this big, but anyway, I had some difficulties. I actually left my suitcase at the bus stop because they pretty much get you in a rush and they want to send you on a tuk-tuk straight away. So yeah, left my suitcase back at the bus bay and yeah, had a mini heart attack, but luckily you're still there. So I'm here chilling in my Hobbiton crib, and what I noticed is there's like a bird nest up there, and like it's been dripping water, and all the lights and the power just went out. Yeah, we're out here in the wild. Time to head out and grab some dinner. Probably gonna just head to the restaurant here and kind of just treat myself. It is my birthday. I haven't had the best food today so far. I've had like a convenience store like bread and like a convenience store pizza and some like beef jerky, and that's about it. So yeah, time to get some food. I've actually got to call Zero for the buggy to pick me up because it's a fair walk to the restaurant. So made it back to Hobbiton. Had a nice dinner there, had some salmon, some cheesecake, pina colada. Anyway, full day of exploring Sihanoukville tomorrow.
8 hours later.
Today I'm going to be exploring Sihanoukville, see what this little beach town is all about. Well, it's not quite little anymore since the Chinese development with all the casinos. It's supposed to be a few nice beaches like Otter's Beach. I've actually got breakfast included with this stay, which I usually don't recommend unless you're staying at like a western country where like it's a decent breakfast. Otherwise it ends up just being more expensive if you get it included. When you're staying in these like Southeast Asian countries where food's cheaper anyway, it was included. So keen to have a nice hopefully buffet breakfast, and explore Sihanoukville. So this is the eco pod area of the hotel. As you can see, all the pods are here. And this is where I wait to get picked up from the buggy. So yeah, that's like Hobbiton over here. Pretty cool. Yeah, last night I decided to walk back from the hotel, and it was a pretty long walk actually, so I'm not gonna do that again. I'm gonna get picked up by the buggy. So wrapped up breakfast then, I've made my way down to Independence Beach, and it's really nice, like really clean. There's not many people out at the moment. The sun is definitely really strong. Yeah, this is really nice down here. All the hotel facilities are really good. It's a good joint, this Independence Hotel, so I'm gonna probably bust out the drone, get some cool shots. So basically I seen a sign and it said this whole area is pretty much reserved for guests of the Independence Hotel, but you can still gain access to it. Anyway, over there, as you can see, that there's a lot of Chinese development like casinos and hotels, and one thing to note is while it does look really nice, you will see a lot of rubbish on the beaches. So that's what this place is can be known for, a bit of a shithole or a dump. If you can hide it, it looks like a paradise. If you look closer, there's always a lot of rubbish. If you don't pay attention to this, it does look like a really nice place. Thought I'd put my thongs on before I stepped in a needle or something. There is a lot of rubbish. So I just spotted a pile of like burning rubbish, and I was going over to take a picture of it, and then one of like the securities of like the hotel, because this whole area is like part of the Independence Hotel, he's pretty much saying no, no, no. Thought it was just a tuk-tuk driver trying to get my attention. Yeah, I've been like asked, am I staying here? And I have to show my key. Just been chilling here at the Eco Cabana. In terms of what things to do here in Sihanoukville, there isn't a whole bunch of things. Probably the main things is like gambling at the casino. You've got Wat Leu Beach, that's supposed to be a nice relaxing place. You can snorkel and stuff. There is a temple, it's called Wat Leu. I'm gonna check that out. And there's also a market that's called Wat Leu Market. So you got that. And apart from that, there isn't a whole bunch of things to do. The main thing you're gonna want to do is catch a ferry over to Koh Rong, which I'm going to do tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to check out the market and this temple and Wat Leu Beach. We'll see you there.
No i oni tam żur na tym stole, nie? Ten drugi seans trwał z tymi olejami, po czym idę sobie, nie tam jest skwara, to nie zależy, też jest naodmiany zewnątrz też nie, ale myślę, dobrze, że nie odpadł taki kład dodana, tylko takie małe.
I'm glad I'm off that bus. I was listening to some annoying like Russian guy speak the whole time. It was so annoying, but anyway, this place is a freaking crazy place. There's buildings everywhere, cranes, everything's like under construction, but then it's like there'll be these real nice casinos you'll see in like Macau and stuff, but the rest of the roads are shitty. There's dust everywhere, there's rubbish everywhere. It's just like everything's under construction, but this place is freaking crazy. What you'll notice is most of the buildings, they have Chinese writing on it. Like you'll see more Chinese writing than actual Cambodian or Khmer, I'm not sure what it's called. Yeah, all these buildings, like I was just in a shopping center just designed for Chinese people, so like Chinese influences everywhere. It's almost as if the Cambodians are living in China. So yeah, the Chinese are pretty much overtaking Sihanoukville. So I've arrived here at the temple, and just some observations I made on the way. If I had to describe this place, it'd be one big construction site and a dump at the same time, like a literal rubbish dump. Like, this place is pretty atrocious. Like, there's rubbish absolutely everywhere, big mounds of it on the road. They've burnt it, pretty atrocious, but the roads are so bad. Anyway, let's check out this temple. So I'm here at the Wat Leu Temple. The tuk-tuk ride cost me $5 and took me about 15 minutes from like the main area. Anyway, I'm like the only white person here pretty much. It's not much of a tourist attraction, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, kind of strange. There's only really dogs and like some locals here. So I wouldn't say that's a must visit here in Sihanoukville. There's like no one there, and it's kind of up the top of the mountain and kind of good views, but it's not that good. As you can see behind me, all the rubbish there that gets left on the side of the road. Anyway, there's not really any tuk-tuks here, so I'm probably going to be walking because there's not really much of a touristy area. It's sort of like a local village, but I'm just going to walk it. So right now I'm at the Wat Leu market, and they pretty much sell just about everything here. I think I might try some street food, get souvenirs, fruit, vegetables, just about whatever. But yeah, I think I'm mainly here to try some street food. So I've made it to Otra's beach. This is pretty nice here, nice white sand. Not too many people here. It's quite a long beach, but it's supposed to be quite popular among the tourists. The beach is so long that it doesn't get very crowded. It's quite a bit of distance away from Independence Beach where I was earlier. Pretty nice here. It seems like there's not too much rubbish. I've seen some people picking up the rubbish. So made it back to the Eco Cabana. But anyway, there's not a whole heap of stuff to do in Sihanoukville. If I had to describe it, I'd say it's more like Shitnockville. Yeah, Otra's beach is pretty nice, but other than that, you got the casinos, and it's pretty much just a dump, like rubbish everywhere, a bit of a shithole. Yeah, so my suggestion would be get out of there as soon as you can, unless gambling is your thing, because there's nicer beaches anyway at Koh Rong. Went to one of these Chinese places and picked up some goodies like beef jerky. Now this is actually really cheap. They're like 80 cents each. This would probably cost about like almost $6 each in Australia. This total cost $6 with water. The plans for tonight, I hit up one of the casinos. I guess I've got to do it while I'm here. Just wrapped up there at the two casinos. I went to the Holiday Palace Casino and some other one. Yeah, I took L's, no money, won. The casinos, they really seem out of place here in the south of Cambodia. Like, none of the actual Cambodians are allowed to go into the casinos. Only they can really work there. But you'll see like a few Chinese people, and it just seems really out of place and odd. Like, you go in there and the interiors are really nice, and like machines are pretty good. There wasn't the biggest range of machines. Yeah, it just seems quite odd. Like, you have these really nice casinos, and you go outside and it's a complete dump. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to Koh Rong. My boat ride's at 9 AM, so that's going to be a nice secluded island. Better than this dump, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, we'll see you there.